तो ये तो उनसे पूछो ना. I can't answer. Even the Holy Prophet ﷺ was not accepted at his time, you see, by Arabs, and later on the Arab people accepted him, and his message spread all across the world. Even it crossed the border of Arabia during his time even. So this is the way Allah says that not everybody will accept my prophet. Only those will accept those who are blessed by me. Those who try to seek the right path. So, but although majority of Muslims have not accepted Prophet Islam, but every year quite a good number of Muslims are accepting Prophet Islam. This is why our Jamaat is growing. Even your Sadr Sahib is one of them. So there are quite a number of examples. Even hundreds of thousands of people are accepting. Take. So this is how the religious and the communities grow. ठीक है ना? चलो.